So triangles mathematics. The figure below shows a right angle triangle PQR. The dimensions of the are given in the centimeters and in terms of x. So we have a triangle, right angle triangle PQR. QR is given as x plus 1 centimeters because we have been told they're given in centimeters, and in terms of x, the height of the triangle is x minus 1 centimeters, and the hypotenuse of that triangle is x plus 3. So the question is find the value of x and hence find the perimeter of the triangle. So these are right angle triangle, and we know the relationship we have in right angle triangle that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, whereby a may represent the base, then b represent the height of the triangle, then c is the hypotenuse. So we have that relation. So in this case, we have the base. We can assume the base is this one, that is a. Then we can assume the height is b there. Then hypotenuse can be c. So putting these terms in form of this equation, then we can have base is x plus 1 squared, right, plus b, and b is x minus 1 squared is equal to c squared, and the c is x plus 3 squared. All right, so we can expand this equation, and we have x plus 1 squared can be written as x into x plus 1, close the brackets, then 1 into x plus 1, then plus x into x minus 1, right, minus 1 into x minus 1, all right. Then we can work this one first. We can work this one first. This is what we have here. So we can open the brackets together, and this is x, and the x, that is x squared plus x plus 1 multiplied by x, it is x plus 1 plus x squared minus x plus 1, which is a positive number. So what we can do from there, we can group the like terms together. We have the values of x and x, so that can accumulate to 2x squared. Then we have x plus x, that is plus 2x minus 2x, then 1 and 1 plus 2. All right, then this can cancel, then it will be 2x, that will go, plus 2 is equal to, now c, and the c, so we can retain this one. Let's retain that one, is equal to x plus 3 squared, and the x plus 3 squared, this work out, x into x plus 3, close the brackets, 3 into x plus 3. Then you can open the brackets, and this will be x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Like terms together, this will be, conjugate those ones, will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. So this is the answer after we expand the value of c. So now we can pick where we left. So 2x, let's do it up here because of the space. So 2x plus 2 is equal to, now what we have gotten here, x squared plus 6x plus 9, right? Then from there we can put like terms together. We have x, so 2, when you take the other side there, 9 minus 2, it will be 7 this will be 7. We're supposed to bring them the other side here. This will be x squared minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. I substitute that. Then what we do from there now is we have the product of A and B. You can read them in this form. This is A, that is B, and that is C. So we get the product of A, C, and we get the sum of B. Right? So in that case, we can say the product is -7, and the sum is -6. So the two numbers, when you multiply them, you get -7, and when you add the two numbers, you get -6. So the two numbers can be -7 and 1. Then you can substitute it here. So it will be x squared plus x plus minus 7x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then you can group this one this way. Then it will be x into x plus 1 minus 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This one and this can cancel. Then you can say x is 1 with this minus 7, then plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be to 0. So x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7. Take the other side, it will be 7 centimeters. Then the other case, x plus 1 is equal to 0. We take one to the other side, x is equal to -1. So when you're calculating the distances, if you get the values which are negatives, we assume simply because we cannot have negative lengths. The same as the age. When you get that figure which is negative, you just ignore the figure. So in this case, the value of x, we can say it is 7. So we can substitute here. So the hypotenuse, this is 7 plus 3, that is 10. Base is 7 plus 1, it is 8. Then height is 7 minus 1, it is 6. So the perimeter, you add all around, so it is 10 plus 6, 16 plus 8. What do you get? 14. That is 24 centimeters. So that's how that equation is supposed to be done.